Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Banner 136 in League of Legends. Here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in add or remove programs. Once it opens, you wanna click in here, search apps, type in Riot. You find Riot Vanguard, click on install, three dots, uninstall, yes, yes. And after the Vanguard is uninstalled, you want to exit out of this, relaunch Riot Client. And after Riot Client opens, you want to go to League of Legends and click here update, and it will install Vanguard. Allow it, and it will quickly install Vanguard. And after this is done, it will say your game requires a system restart, but don't restart it just yet. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in Windows Defender Firewall. You want to open it, go to allow an app, click change settings, allow another app, click browse. You want to go to local disk C, Riot Games. You want to add the client. I already have it. And you want to do the same for Riot Games, League of Legends. You want to do the same for League Client, which is 29.740. Add it and okay. And the last thing you want to add is go back to local disk C, go to program files, scroll down till you find Riot Games, open it and find VGC 59.002 kilobytes, open it, add it. After it's on the list, you want to press here and it will say here Vanguard user mode service. You want to tick it for both public and private. You want to do the same for Riot Client and for League Launcher. And after you've done that, you want to exit out of this, go back to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in this services.msc. And once it opens, you want to click over here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. You want to open it, you want to switch it from manual to automatic, click apply, okay. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in system configuration, and once it opens, you go to services tab, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. You want to untick it, take it back again, click apply, okay, and it will ask you to restart your PC. And after restart your PC, your game should work properly. If you still have like issues with connection and stuff, and you're running like Windows 11 and you have like an older hardware or older PC, I would suggest you like downgrade to Windows 10 because it has way less issues and problems, and most of them are solvable either by plugging Ethernet cable in if you're using Wi-Fi, or downgrade to Windows 10. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Banner 136 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.